A lot of the questions that you've been writing in have been about riding the bus. Kim Fleming emailed us and asked, should the governor stop public transportation like TriMet? Seems like a bus full of people would spread the coronavirus more easily than a restaurant. That's a great question. And yeah, buses can get crowded. We should all be keeping that safe 6-foot distance from one another right now. Now, Multnomah County health officials, they talked about this very thing today and said buses might be safer than you think.
Buses and Maxes have doors opening and closing frequently, which creates for good airflow.
Okay, TriMet also saying that they're seeing riders separate from each other a lot. A big reason that they're able to do that is because ridership has dropped significantly, so people have more room to spread out. We've got a chart here. It shows passenger numbers over the past several weeks. Last week, they saw a 10% drop. The week before that, there was a 5% drop. Now, a lot of people do still have to ride TriMet. We know that. You have to get to the store, get groceries, get medicine, because it's the only form of transportation you got. We understand. We've seen some questions about how clean it is on board. So here's what TriMet had to say. In addition to nightly disinfecting of our buses and trains, TriMet crews are also wiping down the main touch points at rail stations and transit centers daily, including hop validators, ticket machines, payphones, elevator doors, and elevator buttons. But they also say, obviously, these surfaces only stay clean until someone coughs or sneezes on them.